right. In this video, I'm going to teach you how substitution works. And to do that, I'm going to demonstrate using money. The first thing that you have to realize, it has to do with these two quarters, is that a quarter equals a quarter. Now, yes, I did write on these quarters with Sharpie. Do not tell the government. But another way to think about it, so quarter equals quarter, meaning y equals y. So another thing that's true then, so if that's the case, now I can kind of branch off from that. So does everyone here agree that another way to make a quarter is 2 dimes and 5 pennies? Raise your hand if you agree with that. Okay, so that means that's 2 dimes plus 5. And then another way you could make it is if I took 1, 2, 3 nickels, and a dime is also the same thing as a quarter. So now I could write that quarter equals 3 nickels plus a dime. All right, so now we got a lot of money. All right, so here's where the algebra comes into play and how the substitution works. So now, because y equals y, I can actually set what's on the outside equal to each other. So this is kind of called, in a way, setting equal to each other. So what that means is now I can bring down this part. Because quarter equals this, now I can say that 25 cents equals this. So I can also say that down here, I can rewrite it as 3 nickels plus a dime equals, bring this down, 2 dimes plus 5 pennies. So now I just rewrote it. I went from y equals y. Then I used what I knew about y equaling y and substitute, set them equal to each other. And I said not only does 25 cents equal 25 cents, but 3 nickels plus a dime equals 2 dimes plus 5 pennies. And lastly, if I wanted to make this work with algebra, so if I basically, that way this works, if I had two equations, this is what we're going to be doing in class now, like y equals 3x plus 3 and y equals negative 6x plus 3. Because y equals y, I can set them equal to each other and just substitute it right there. So it would be 3x plus 3 equals negative 6x plus 3. And then we could solve this and figure out what x equals. And that makes me happy.